Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to finance a home improvement project with Upstart in 2025. So home renovations can be quite expensive, but an Upstart loan can help you to fund upgrades without using high interest credit cards. So let me show you how to get that done. First thing first, you got to estimate the cost of your project. So get quotes from contractors or home improvement stores on how much it's going to cost, including materials, labors, and permit fees in your estimates. So once you have those estimates, you know exactly how much you need, and you can pre-qualify for a loan. So use Upstart's soft credit check tool to view available loan offers, and you can compare the interest rates with other financing options like home equity loans and stuff. Once you have that done, you want to apply and receive funds. So submit your application with proof of income and employment details. And once you're approved, your funds are going to be deposited into your account within a day. And now you can use the funds to pay contractors or to purchase materials, and also consider financing energy efficient upgrades that qualify for rebates, just in case. And the final step is going to be to repay your loan responsibly. So now you can set up automatic payments to stay on track with repaying your Upstart loan. You also want to pay off early if possible, because that's going to help you to reduce total interest cost by basically eliminating the interest. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the video. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.